tranquil space. And for this month's mid-month tranquility tip, we're going to be doing a restorative practice to help with lower back pain. So, and I will say that most of these poses, we're going to be doing 3 poses. 2 out of the 3 are not for people to practice if you're 3 months or more pregnant. So this wouldn't be a practice for you to follow. All right, so we're going to start with a supported back bend. I'm going to be using yoga blankets. You are more than welcome to use blankets that you have at home, or couch pillows, or even a rolled up pillow, a firm pillow that you have, a bed pillow, okay? So I'm going to take one blanket, I'm going to unfold it once, and I'm going to roll it. Now, for those of you who have more open backs, you can do a higher roll with your blanket. I know that this is good for my back, so this is why I'm doing it at this height, okay? This is going to go at the shoulder blades, just underneath the very bottom tips of your shoulder blades. So I'm going to place that behind me. I'm going to take a second blanket and roll it just part way so that I get a nice roll underneath my neck. Now, for someone, I have actually had just little lower back issues on occasion, and I find that this pose really helps release my lower back. So I've actually done this pose before I go to bed to help release my lower back so that I can go to sleep. So you'll lie back. Once again, the rolled blanket at the bottom tip of your shoulder blades. Then lie back, just draw this other blanket so it's underneath your shoulders and support your neck. You play with the height. Keep your knees bent, and you're going to breathe here for about 3, no more than 5 minutes. Once you're ready to come out, gently slide the blanket down. Let your back come nice and flat on the floor. Let it neutralize. And then gently roll to your right side. Once again, just let yourself pause. And then let yourself come on up. I will say in these restorative poses, if you feel any pain, just like a regular yoga practice, come out. Something is wrong. It's your body's way of telling you that. So come out. In intensity and sort of a stretching feeling in the lower back, that's okay because it's hopefully starting to release the muscles, okay? So next we're going to do a supported child's pose. So I'm going to take the blankets and I'm going to fold this in half, okay? Take my other ones. I'm going to stack them. So I'm going to use about 3 blankets. Totally depends on you how high it is. Some of us may only use a couple of blankets. Some of us may use 3 or 4. You can also then take another blanket. So I've got 3 stacked. You can also take a 4th one for here for your head. Now what you want to do is bring the toes together and take a wide-kneed child's pose. So your knees open, draw the blankets down. Okay? You don't have to draw them all the way in, just enough so that it supports your chest. Then you just lie down, rest your head to either side, and breathe. Unless you want to breathe 3, maybe 6 minutes. If you're new to it, please feel free to only stay here for a minute or 2. Try though to remember to sort of turn your head the other way so that you're sort of even on both sides. And this pose may seem very simple, that you might even think that you want to skip it. I wouldn't recommend that because it's actually a great way to help release the back muscles and the hip muscles, which a lot of that sort of ties into where people have their back pain. Once you want to come out, gently and slowly lift yourself up. If when you come into this, your feet and your ankles are kind of tight and hurt, please feel free to take a blanket and give yourself a little extra padding. We're all put together a little differently, so some of us need just a little more support in other areas than some others of us do. So feel free to do this, maybe even rolling a towel to place underneath your ankles. You want to be comfortable. So for our final pose, we're actually going to do a sort of relaxation using a chair. So some of you may sort of think this looks similar to legs at the wall, and it does, but a chair or your couch are a great way to help release the back. Once again, this is something that I do at home using my couch. I just lie on the floor and put my legs on the couch. So I'm going to take one blanket here. I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to take my chair, set it behind me, and once again, you'll do this with your couch at home. Okay? I'm going to place a blanket on here just for a little padding for my legs. Then I'm going to lie back. Knees stay bent, because the knees bent is what helps sort of relax those muscles in the back. Lie back. If you have an eye pillow, that's great. And this you can be in from anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. It's really fabulous of releasing the lower back. I highly recommend it. And then just breathe in here. And then once you're ready to come out, just like all the others, just very slowly and gently move. Let yourself come to your right side. And gently come on up. So hopefully this will help you with some of your lower back pain to just release them and release the muscles. And then I thank you very much. This is Siobhan, and this is our mid-month tranquility tip. Namaste.